Hi all, welcome to another session of Data Analyst video interview question. The key skills are on Python, PiSpark, SQL and statistics. So this was conducted by DRAUP. So let's get started. So the first question is, what are the basic commands in PiSpark? So they are like show, select, with column, print schema, describe, tail, etc. So there are so many, right? So these are some of them. Let's move to the next question. Create a column by finding the sum of two columns in data frame using UDF in PiSpark. So for that we have to import the functions and integer type, and then we have to create a UDF, simple UDF like print sum column. We have to pass the parameter, and then we have to create an object and we have to add this column, right? So this is the way we do. And next, moving to next question, find the sum of value in the list. So we have to find the sum of value in the list. Suppose we have a list with values, and then we have to find the sum of this. How we do is that first we have to initialize this an object with 0, and then we can use a for loop, right? For we using the for loop, and then we have to iterate each value. So that is for I in range of 0 comma length of list, total is equal to total plus list of I. Total is 0, so 0 plus list of I is 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1. Then next, uh, 1 plus 2, then 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, as such. Right. So yeah, and moving to the next question, print the item in the list one by one in Python. Similarly, we can use a for loop for printing the item. Like for I in the list, if the type of I is str, then print I. So that's all. It's easy, right? And moving to the next question, what is a pickle file and why do we need it? So pickle file is the conversion of Python object to binary or byte stream object, right? So they are much faster compared to CSV file. And yeah, moving to next question, what is serialization and deserialization? Serialization is already we know that the pickle file which we convert by a Python object to binary or byte stream object, whereas deserialization means we are reversing back our Python object. So that's all. And yeah, moving to next question, why should we transform data to normal distribution? So because most of the natural phenomenon fits the normal distribution, that's why we try to make them normally distributed. For example, real world example, like if you see like height, weight, blood pressure, then COVID cases, etc. So they are a kind of normal distribution. And yeah, that's all. And moving to the next question, what is the interpretation of R square in regression with an example? So R square means it is a measure of goodness or fit of the model. So, for example, if you take height and weight, and if you are trying to calculate the outcome, that is BMI, and after fitting the model with the equation y is equal to mx plus c, you will get the like R square value 0.97. So, what is the interpretation of this? Is that 97% of BMI is explained by this two-factor height and weight, and remaining 3% is by explained by other factors or unknown factor we have not captured. So that's the interpretation of R square. Yeah, and moving to the next question, the dependent variable should be normally distributed. In regression problem, justify, we have to justify this. It's a straightforward no, because we don't want to make them normally distributed. Only thing we have to check is the error should be normally distributed. Yeah, and moving to the final question, output of the query in SQL inner join. So this is column 1 is one table, column 2 is other table. And if we try to find all the combination of rows, then we get 11011. Yeah, and thank you for this. Please do like and subscribe.